Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locating the exact Google result that shows your home address and capturing a screenshot. Once done, determine whether the address lives on a site you control or on a third-party listing. This changes the removal route. If you control the page, edit or remove the content first, then request reindexing. If not, prepare evidence, photos, bills, or ownership docs, and gather the URL, cached snippet, and the site's contact info before moving to Google's removal tools. Next, submit formal requests. If you removed or changed content, use Search Console's URL inspection to request reindexing. If the snippet persists, use Remove Outdated Content. For third-party pages, first contact the site owner with a clear takedown request and evidence, and escalate with a legal claim only when necessary. Make sure to document each request and follow up. Google processes recrawls on their schedule, so keep monitoring Search Console or handheld searches to verify progress over several days to weeks. Finish by cleaning up remaining traces. Remove info from social profiles, directory listings, and map pins, and submit specialized Google forms for sensitive personal info if needed. Once you've requested removals, check results and reissue requests if content reappears. If removal is denied, escalate with a legal request or Google's sensitive info escalation when things go wrong. Have one troubleshooting tip. Keep detailed logs and timestamps of every action and reply. Then present that timeline when appealing to site.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.